Hey, tell me about the engine.
The C7 Caterpillar engine is a diesel engine commonly used in medium to heavy-duty trucks and equipment. It's known for its reliability and durability.
What is the air compressor used for in the diesel C7 engine?
In the C7 Caterpillar engine, the air compressor is used to supply compressed air for the air brake system and other pneumatic accessories on vehicles or equipment.
What is the most expensive part of the engine?
For the C7 Caterpillar engine, the most expensive parts are typically the turbocharger or the cylinder head. Prices can vary based on the engine's condition.
¿Cuál es el tipo de gas que se utiliza para el motor?
El motor C7 de Caterpillar utiliza Diesel como combustible.
Welche Art von Kraftstoff wird für den Motor verwendet?
Der C7 Caterpillar Motor verwendet Diesel als Kraftstoff.
Quel est le type de gaz utilisé pour le moteur?
Le moteur C7 de Caterpillar utilise du diesel comme carburant.
What is the most expensive part of the engine?